Hi everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's quick guide, I will show you how to silently leave a Discord group on your phone. This method works on both Android and iPhone. The steps are very simple, so make sure you watch till the end. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Now look at the left side and tap on the server you want to leave. Once the server opens, tap on the server name at the top of the screen. From the menu, tap on Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Leave Server. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Leave Server again to confirm. That is it. You have successfully left the Discord server. No notification is sent to other members. You can leave the server silently without anyone knowing. This is how you quietly leave a Discord group on your phone. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.